Your nose is runny today. Don't get too close to the edge. Well, you didn't hurt yourself. You fell on the bed, crazy. What are you doing? You can't crawl off that way or hurt yourself on the little wood thing. Okay, you can try. See, I told you. Did you get your little face? Jeez.